Alright, welcome to Madagascar again. Today we are heading to one of the islands which are also considered to be one of the most gorgeous islands.
You can see the main business here, especially in Nosy Be area, tourism.
Welcome back. Today we're taking you to Nosy Iranja. But first we're going to tell you how to go there, how much it will cost you, and just to give you a little bit of experience how it looks like before you make a plan. Come, join us. Basically, there's this beautiful beach between those two islands. One is a small one, the other one is a big one.
Good morning. Today we are going to our kids island. The same spot you take to different areas of the islands here. It is believed to be one of the top 10 most gorgeous islands here. We wanted to save it for kind of the last days because we don't want to be wowed by this, and don't like the other ones. But it's beautiful. I think we're looking forward. So you just pay there
Around 200, I think, with this one also including water, one bottle of water they will give you. There's a life vest that they will give you the similar way.
food is included. I think the food was much bigger in Nosy Iranja. We spent again a second on the other side of Sakadia yesterday. Today we should also try Nosy Iranja.
After you pay, you're gonna wait there until they call your hotel or name, and then they get you on board. So everyone is kind of ready, loading up everybody. So here's the spot where it takes you to every angle of the islands that you wanna hop on. Check out different islands. Most of them have their own accommodation also if you want to stay there, but you can stay on one of the islands and just keep going from one to another one.
So that's what we're going to do. I think this one is not more about snorkeling, it's more about swimming and enjoying the beach and the view. We'll see. Come with us.
So basically what you have to do is you book the night before so that they can be informed, and they write down your hotels. From the hotel they know how many people are coming, and the only thing you have to do when you arrive at those stations is pay the amount in ariary and only in cash.
See the main business here, especially in Nosy Be area, is tourism a lot, and it is just a beautiful nature. I hope it stays like this, but it's also good for business for the local people, I think, to just have guests over. But I hope that guests who come from around the world they should respect the nature, definitely, including me and myself, my hubby and everybody. So anyway, this is gorgeous. We're gonna wait. Life vests, we take one each. Okay. Oliver? Is it your name or? Unfortunately, they are overbooked, so we're gonna be left alone. Anyway, this is also not working. This is way working. You have to tolerate African. So make sure when you book. I don't know. Just for the drama. I think they were really happy getting a big family, and they just took them all on. The last family, I think they were like 8 or 6, more or less. Very exciting news, because we were waiting actually one of the first ones, and they ditched us by benching us literally, and they don't have space. That was not planned. And yeah, that's knows exactly what's happening right now. We were super excited, but this is really not a good way. Yeah, and the boat is also small. I don't know if I should be pissed or just take it easy, and because we've been here like since 8:30. Now it's almost 9 something, so we were supposed to leave actually. Now we have to wait. Yeah, since we missed our boat, we got this one. We're going that way instead of that way. Just kidding. So I guess we missed our boat, but we are getting our own private boat, which sometimes things happen for a reason. Just go with the flow. Right. In the meantime, we are on this boat that goes on the land. In the meantime, we are going on the land. Land sailing. Not sea sailing. Oh. And we got this boat. And we are heading out now.
In the end, the guys were super professional. They actually had to buy extra liters and get another boat to arrange just for us, just separate boat, and they took the customer service completely seriously. One of the only challenge I would say is because we don't speak French, the communication was not completely open, and there's just assumption of understanding between the two of us because they also don't speak English. Maybe if one day, or if you speak French, it might be a little bit easier.
Oh, this looks gorgeous, no? There's something about this movie, just such a powerful thing, which is crazy at the same time. Just this nicely bluish, greenish beauty, unexplainable, like feeling the water splash on your face is also like another amazing feeling. Like, Okay, I just maybe half an hour or so. The guy said it might take like 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Enjoying the view. Keep it going. And it is massive.
Say being off the land and on the sea has a different feeling. This magnificent view and sea teaches you a lot of being humble in nature and just enjoy that there is so much more beauty in this world more than the things that we see around us. Just, I think we all need this once in a while, don't you think so? This is super gorgeous. The trip is so smooth and nice, and it's sunny. There's no shaky or the storm that everybody scares around this season, but it seems to be okay. It's assumed to be low season this time of the year, and mostly it's high season between April and up to September, and it will be full of divers and people who just want to get away and just be away from everything and be in the nature and just live a normal, simple life here. It's not sophisticated, high class, like full of technology kind of setup. It's just purely diving in the nature, and I think it's much needed. But if you want to avoid the high seasons, maybe this is the time of the year you might want to think about. And this month is right now the Christmas season, December and maybe January. The sun hits so hard, so make sure whatever color you are, put a lot of sunscreen, because the other day I got a completely heavy rash even if I thought my skin was strong enough to handle the sun. And as you know, stay hydrated. Not only the sun, but also the sweat that you have, also the reflection from the sea itself is intense on your body. So stay hydrated. You don't want to have headache or fainting or even not enjoy this beautiful day, right? So keep your water next to you.
We have arrived.
Sikanyara nisha kanjo ya kwangila nona isha nanjo fiaruva no masulu vangu vangu wanawe